Y'all, this is GreenWings with another one. Quick FlyBy. Right now I'm waiting on my little cousin to, get dressed and stuff so we can go over here to her elementary school because they having like a book fashion show or whatever the case may be. Like you dress up like your favorite character of the book, and we have a fashion show or we sit down and have a big reading or whatever the case may be. Right now I'm dressed up like the Bible, so that was my book. I'm just giving you a nice little classic, business wear. Not thinking too hard about it. That's real smart. Got on my shouting shoes. I'm not gonna even play with them. Got my little wreath, my little crown that I made out of my mom's backyard. Just recycling and reusing my environment to be creative and stuff. But I'm gonna let y'all know when we get in there and we gonna rock out. And happy seasons. What festive fall, happy autumn, or happy Halloween, or Hallow's Eve. I don't know how period. I'll be back. Okay, we back. The festivities had already started. But look, we got one fish, blue fish, red, blue, Dr. Seuss book and stuff. Look at these men say. They're having fun with their students.
Nice job. Thank you. In essence, Winnie the Pooh and pick up a story from the 100-acre wood. Ese es de la escuela La Irving y este es
I should put on my little coat.
from our special
Jordan.
services team here at Garfield School. Mrs. Lanier, Miss Houston, Miss Rico, and Miss Z. Very concrete. That's Miss Houston.
Oh, that was my favorite book.
Del Cien Pies Hambriento.
That's really cute.
¡Bravo! ¡Un aplauso! All right, from Garfield Elementary, supporting the green eggs and ham.
Oh. Hey.
Este libro se llama Huevos Verdes con Jamón.
For lunch, we finna go to the cafeteria and get some nice little snacks. They did good with the popcorn and everything. And my little cousin them had a good time. I'm recording, cause y'all don't know how to take no picture.
Future because she likes numbers, but there will be more books. She will learn about more subjects to school that she's interested in, and she'll do some extracurricular activities and go to different classes and lessons.
So, good idea.
Sir John, and you have a question over there.
Well. Especially I like the Garfield table with the lasagna fruit that is so delicious. It was a table with 3 books that they were now. And there was another table. My little cousins, they enjoyed themselves. All the 15, they felt like they were treated early and things. So we got a couple free books. We got some information from some great vendors, and we also got to see someone speak.